Above ground pool deck construction. Do you need a wooden deck for your above ground pool? Tampa Aboveground Pool Installation builds decks. We are above ground vinyl liner pool and deck builders. Why do you want at least a 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot raised swimming platform deck? Benefits. 1. Safety. Responsible parents need to be above the pool water in order to look down into the water to monitor swimming children. 2. Convenience. It's far easier to walk up broad wooden steps than climbing up narrow plastic ladders. Chairs and loungers above the waterline offer easy pool access. 3. Appearance. A deck at the waterline makes an above-ground pool look like an in-ground pool. Call Tampa Aboveground Pool Installation to have your 4x4x4 wooden swim platform deck built. 800-457-1622. For rough prices, please take a look at this video description for safety, convenience, and appearance. Get a deck for your above-ground swimming pool. 800-457-1622.